You're alright. Keep coming. Keep coming. You're alright. Keep coming. You're alright. Hey, you bloody idiot. So hard to get good help these days. A few weeks ago, about a month, something like that, bought a pressure cleaner. It's a ripper, I can tell you that. Got this from Paramount Browns, brand new, 3,800 PSI. Now, I bought this specifically to do wet media blasting. Now, I gave this a little bit of a go last week, but the sand was too wet. It was just clumping, it wasn't picking it up properly. So I'm going to give it another go now, and we'll discover it together. I'll tell you a little bit more about it first. Pressure cleaner was roughly $700, brand new. Now, this attachment here, it just unscrews. I bought that from Spitwater, the sandblasting attachment. Now it picks up through the end of this hose here, picks the sand up, drags it through this hose, and gets fed out the end of the pressure cleaner. Now this isn't a cheap eBay one, that's got a tungsten end, so it'll last quite a while. Now, lucky that this is the original Paramount Browns, just straight out water pressure cleaner, and it's the same attachment, so pretty pricey, around $300 just for that. So I hope it works. Well, I know it works, but I hope it works better with dry sand. Okay. As you can see, I got most of it off. There was some pretty hard pitted rust all the way along here, and it's chewed that off. It's starting to flash off and rust already, but I'm going to go over it again. Couple of issues. I'm going to, it gets blocked quite easy. You've got to watch out for kinks in the hose. Best thing is not to jam it right in the sand because it blocks up straight away. I rest it on the top. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make up a gravity fed tub and have the hose attached to the bottom, so it just the sand keeps on falling in on itself. Now the other thing, where I had the garden hose attached here, gets a bit warm when the pump's working hard, and it actually I had a plastic hose fitting screwed into it, and it didn't like that. The glue separated and the hose came off. I'll show you. That's the end of the hose fitting. It's stuck in the hose now, so I've got to get that out, and I'll get a brass one so it doesn't do it again. But overall, it does work. It took a little bit of time. Gonna have to go over it again to get that flash rust off, and I'll hit it with some inhibitor. So that's that. It works. Just needs a few more modifications to improve it, but I'm overall happy. Bye for now. So I'm pretty happy. Got all the pitted rust off. Definitely need a rust inhibitor to stop it flash rusting like it is. I've got to get it working faster so I can blast it and rust inhibit it straight away. It's flash rusting way too fast like it is. Got to make it gravity fed, so I'm going to make up a tub so it feeds straight into there, as I said. Maybe need to sieve the sand before I use it, because little bits are just getting it blocked and I have to blow it out with the air compressor. But that's what I've got to do. I will improve it. It will work better. Okay, bye for now.